What's innate is about 2 kilos of symbols we've taken from the lunar far side. We're here to receive the return of Chang'e 6 at about 1 to 2 o'clock. Return will land on the landing field of the CCTV. This mission has made our country the first and the only one which took sample from the far side of the moon for research. We are going to follow the people to the second set point. It's 13:55 now. At this moment, it should be floating in the atmosphere to reduce the speed. It enters the atmosphere and comes down. When it's near the land, the parachute will open. It's landing now. We're going to chase it. The parachute is open. Look for it. The returner is red hand here. This is trading, guys. It's my first time to see returner. What's innate is about 2 kilos of symbols we've taken from the lunar far side. Its surface is greatly burned. Look at the bubbles on it. Oh my! The returner of Chang'e 6 is loaded on track. It will be taken to Beijing to be opened for the 2 kilos of symbols. The exciting thing is not just our country, and let the heavy rocks explore more. What's more important is more and more young people are joining the civic research. A thumbs up for our motherland.